In this video, I'm going to show you how to change chart text scale on Axiom. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom Pro account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins right now. It's packed with a lot of different premium features that are completely for free, such as a top-notch amazing Twitter tracker, a wallet tracker, they have a P&L tracker as well, and an amazing rewards system, which basically gives you Solana back just for trading. Now, you can also enable their turbo mode, which makes for faster transactions and faster fills, and then you can set your own presets with your custom fees. You can filter different meme coins with their amazing filters, etc. So again, link down below, make sure you check it out. Now, to change the chart text scale on Axiom, or to change it's essentially the font scale, font size of your chart, you want to go to Pulse over here and open up a random coin you would like to, of course, trade, or of course not, because you can set this for all the coins at once. And then here you can see this is basically the text size over here. You can change it by clicking on this icon, which says chart settings, and then it says font size. So the 12 pixels is going to be default. You can make it bigger like this and do done. And as you can see, it's now much bigger. Or you can make it extremely small, just 8 pixels, and it's now going to be extremely small. So of course you can do whatever you want with that, press done, and you're good to go. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.